Trailer Magazine. Join the big wheel trucker team. Trailer Magazine. Whoa, check out the greatest rigs you ever seen.
Trailer Magazine is the biggest big-wheel truckers periodical in Europe, and it comes out 10 times a year, especially for all you gear jammers on the road.
Trailer Magazine.
So check out this heavy load of articles, features, and great pictures, all available in
Trailer Magazine.
Trailer Magazine.
I hear a lot of truckies are using Bandags in Australia as well, and now that I'm here, I guarantee you when I leave there'll be a lot more of them using them. To have this truck here in Australia is almost a miracle. I didn't think we'd get it here. We're ready to race. 15 minutes, put the wing on. We're gone. Watch out, the exhaust there will get you. Yeah. I always plan on winning, but sometimes you lose, and you have to be just as good a loser as you do winner to be in this game.
On behalf of the Retark group of companies and associated sponsors, I challenge you to a heads-up race, you guys. Next Sunday at Colorado Raceway, if you're prepared to pick up the ball. Make sure you guys can drive that truck, that's one for Larry. I'm betting you well enough.
Listen, Darth Vader, or Larry, or Jet Truck, waltzing Matilda, I suppose.
I'm
going to, you're going to be back in Star Wars. You're going to be Clone Wars. I think what you're going to do is challenge the loser and spot him, is what they're talking about yesterday, from each bracket, from the first three brackets. I'll take the inside and give him the outside. I can make the turn into the track and let him go straight, and his chutes will work longer. All week that if he coughed, this yank could get him, and he coughed. We'll have to give her another chance, That's all we'll do. You know, when you're up against another vehicle, if you're just making regular runs, qualifying runs, it don't mean as much. But when it comes down to all the marbles, and you're up against another vehicle, you get in the vehicle, you're watching the other guy, he's watching, you're trying to really freak one another out, and then you have to really keen yourself, that brake and the throttle and the whole deal, because those caution lights come down 0.4 of a second apart. They're fast. That can mean the difference of winning and losing, just that one caution light. If you can get away, just not get the red light, get that green.
When he and I were there at the quarter-mile strip, I mean, I'm running 100 miles an hour. He gained so much momentum, he had to be doing 110 or 12 when he passed that quarter, and I looked over and I seen that tire just smoking. I thought it was the first of jet or something, but the wheel just locked up on it. And this has taken what we call code process reader clear to the cord. This Bandag retread on this jet truck is slid clear to the cord, but it hasn't come off. Can you guys believe that? 4.
The compound that Bandag uses, and we've got the same compound that any trucker's using, only we don't have tread. But it really gives us the bite. It runs cool, and when that transmission shifts and that Detroit's run about 3,000 RPMs, those Bandags hold together for us. We haven't got a tread that's starting to loosen or anything, and all my 180-degree turns, and we're just very happy with it. And the guys that's right behind us are also running Bandags, I noticed, too. So I would say that the Bandag tire at the Australian American Nationals is the big difference today.
Men det er ikke kun ude i den store verden, de kan. Vi kan også i Skandinavien. I løbet af en sommer besøger godt og vel 1.500.000 mennesker de store truckingfestivaler i først og fremmest Danmark, men også Sverige. Lad os lytte til Don Curtis' Trucking Jack, mens vi nyder et par klip fra en sådan truckingfestival i Skandinavien.
Have you heard the latest news about a fellow Jack? It's leaving town. He's coming back. I heard it from a friend of Jack. Jack is heading back. Where's my old truck? I think I want it back. Trucking Jack is coming back on the road again. Trucking Jack is coming back on the road again. I heard it from a friend of Jack. Jack's about to cry. What the hell do I think I am but a truck man? Trucking Jack coming back on the road again. Trucking Jack coming back on the road again. Trucking Jack has always been a trucker in his heart. I'm longing for my old truck all the time. Come on, he was born to be on the road. He's got it in his blood. I'm aching for my sweetie all the time. Yeah, I can't stand living in the city. It's too busy, all too busy. I can't stand turning in the office. It's too stuffy, all too stuffy. I was born to be a trucker. I was born to be on the move. Once a trucker, always a trucker. Trucking Jack is coming back on the road again. Trucking Jack is coming back on the road again. I heard it from a friend of Jack. Jack is heading back. Where's my old truck? I think I want it back.
Dette var Trailer Trucking video nummer 1. Kassette nummer 2 er allerede under produktion, så der er mere at glæde sig til. Og mens du venter, kan du læse om lastbiler fra hele verden i Trailer Magazine, der fås i alle velassorterede kiosker. I Trailer i hænderne ligger verden for dine fødder.
Especially for all you gear jammers on the road. Trailer Magazine. So check out this heavy load of articles, features, and great pictures, all available in Trailer Magazine.